Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I am out with
Rough paddling.
Of rough paddling fame, and we're doing a bit of geocaching in Kircudbright in Scotland, and there's one about 200 odd metres away, so we're going to go and have a look. In the meantime, I've just walked around a corner and seen this. Now that looks quite spectacular, isn't it? So that's obviously a local castle. Details on the screen right now. Ping! So there's a nice statue of, child in a man's lap and a sword to the glorious dead, 1914, 1918. I think it's a bit of a tribute. 1939 to 1945. And then this. Looks quite good, doesn't it? Wow. That's Greyfriars Church. Some quite quaint looking buildings here. That says Harbour Cottage Gallery. This is round the back. We're actually moving away from the geocache at the moment. 230 metres. But it's only because we're doing a bit of exploring while we're here, and we're just dragging you along for the ride. Let's go around that corner there and see if we get any closer. 235, 237, it's getting worse. Right, we reached the apex of walking in the wrong direction, and now we're getting closer again. How close? Atkinson close, that's how close we're getting. Getting further away again. We've taken a detour because we've just gone to look for a skate park where we might come back in a bit and bez some remote control trucks about. Don't know yet. What an adventure this geocaching trip's turning out to be. Never expected this, did you? 305 metres. I mean, it's doubled from where we were. But on the plus side, look at that nice marina. Okay, so we've seen what we wanted to see, and we're now half a kilometre away. So let's head back and get it, if we can. It's his fault. I'm blaming him. 420 metres, and if we don't start heading left, we'll end up increasing in metres. So we're heading left now. Oh, we found an interesting green topped building. Not sure what that castle is up there. 286 metres. We're definitely making this one look easy. Alright, so what's this thing? Let's go and have a look at this before we go looking for... We will go for that geocache in a minute. We're just curious as to what this is. Very parapety. So this is Kircudbright jailhouse. And it's nice because they get the prisoners to make all these nice things to sell to the community. Just to remind you that some of my facts are based on fiction. Anyway, after that, 135 metres. Ooh, look at that! Cheap drone shot. Drone shot. Drone shot. Very pastel-y colours down here. Anyway, in better news, we're now getting further away from it again. Oh damn! Do we need to go down here? 119. I'm getting further away. Don't tell me we've got to go back up here. Yeah, that's taking us closer. Alright, we're going back up here. The sweet joys of geocaching. It's not like geocaching with oldest friend, because he actually quite liked it. If I was geocaching with oldest friend, he'd be wanting to stop off here. Right, 104, 103, 102. Oh, we're going to get stuck behind some slow moving traffic. Right, we did a swift overtake. 67, 66, we're getting close. Getting our steps in today. Getting closer again. 64, 65, it's down here somewhere. It's not in there. Found it, found it, found it. Although to be fair,
I saw it from quite a long way away.
This arse found it first. Signed it, logged it, popped it back.